When the designs come through from design, we'll double check the patterns, check they're correct. We'll digitise them and grade them to all the different sizes. So we'll get 3 sizes in, we'll have a fit meeting for every single style, make sure things fit nicely, proportions, sometimes darts are off, so we can see that, and we like to try at least one garment on a real body, because obviously the mannequins are very in proportion, so it's good to see on the different shapes. And then when we're happy with that, we'll send it to bulk production. Well, I've always been interested in fashion since I was at secondary school, so I knew I was going to do something in fashion. I've always been creative, enjoyed making my own clothes. I came here because it's like a local British company, and I love that everything's on site and it's all made in Britain. I'm really passionate about that, so that's what drew me here.